Good morning. In today's session, we will learn the basics of iron and the process of steel manufacturing. So, in this video, I am going to tell you how to we can make blades, blooms, and slabs. And from the starting, we learn the how the entire process is conducted. And first of all, we know the irons first is magnetite Fe3O4 and hematite Fe2O3. So now moving in from starting the iron ore plant working process. So first of all, there is a geotechnical survey is conducted. Then in the earth crust to earth surface, there are different layers on which iron are formed. And first of all, they are conducting a geotechnical survey. After that, the percentage of iron is available or not. Then after that, if there is an availability of iron, then a blasting is conducted over there, and with the help of this blasting, it's break down into small pieces, and this material shifted to a 120 metric ton vehicle to the crusher plant. In this crusher plant, there are different rollers for they crushes into small part up to 6 to 8 sizes, and this material is shifted to a rotary magnetic drum. In the rotary magnetic drum, the material is rotate around a certain speed. Then the major iron content parts, due to their magnetic property, it's shifted to the magnetic side, and the waste material to the other side. And there is also the availability of iron in this waste material. So the all the material shifted to a water rotary drum and a form a ceramic form powder, which is a paste type, and create a 10 stone type walls and shifted to this material to the blast furnace. Basically, blast furnace is a place where we use iron ore, and coal and limestone with the react in the blast furnace. And so the second term is coal. So in coal plant, the coal are comes from the different part of our country, and collect them and form a powder of coal in a crushing plant. There are different types of roller crushes the coal, and this coal sent to a coke oven plant. Here, coal reformed and heated and charged. This coal and heated coal shifted to a chiller plant where the amount of water is injected over that it's not get completely wet. It's small types of s- wet type coal is generated, and all ever coal is shifted to a sinter plant. In sinter plant, mix iron content coal and limestone, both crusher plant, and convert mixture and send to the blast furnace. In blast furnace, there are different layers of uh, bricks. It's covered by the outer side, and in blast furnace, the mixture of iron ore, coal, and limestone completely mix, and move to the upper side, and the temperature is around of the furnace is 2000 degrees Celsius, and the size of this blast furnace is its height is around 30 to 40 meters, and its width around 10 meters. After a certain time, the iron in the form of pig iron, or it's a starting point where iron in a melting form we collect there this side, and the wastage as a form of sludge cement is it's used in a form of cement for the road work is basically known as dammer is used in the road work. So this pig iron, or basically we can say that it's a form of first iron, and after that this pig iron directly we can send to the oxygen steel making furnace. Here the pig iron and scrap of steel, basically the scrap from different areas we found, and convert this pig iron and scrap with a high speed of oxygen is provided in the basic oxygen steel making furnace. So in this process the iron is formed is sent to the steel refinery facility. Here there is another method where the iron ore, coal and limestone from crusher plant and converted this mixture and sent to the blast furnace. And besides from it, the other method is this mixture is directly sent to an electric arc furnace. So with the direct reaction and sent to electric arc furnace to form a steel. So these are the basically three operations. First is blast furnace. Second is iron, coal and limestone sent to direct reduction to electric arc furnace where melting scrap iron to form steel, and basic oxygen steel making furnace steel scrap iron pig iron at a high speed of oxygen is provided. It reduces 4 to 5% carbon to 0.5%, and after that the entire is sent to steel refining facility. After that the continuous casting process is conducted. With the help of this raw the entire process after a different shapes and sizes to be formed. So basically in continuous casting process, semi-finished product like as billet, blooms and slab. Blooms and slabs both are ingots which use rough casting for transportation. These blooms are in a rectangular shape. Basically, blooms are used in structural shapes, rail rods, seamless pipe. Blooms in rectangular shapes, which area is greater than 230 centimeters square. Blades, bar, stock, and wire rod. These are basically in square shapes, and this area is less than 230 centimeters square. And slab are sheet metal plate strips and pipes, basically in this form. So this is the complete process of steel manufacturing. I hope you can understand the entire process with the help of this flow diagram. So this for is today's. Thank you.